view na to guys. Pipicturean namin. Cast the board.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Good. How about you?
Good. Have you guys been here before?
No,
it's
first
our
time.
first time.
Okay. I'll be your server. Can I get you guys anything to start with, like drink? How's the food? All good?
Good.
Drinks good as well?
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything I can get you guys, or you guys okay?
Okay. Thank you. Sabi niya, pang single lang daw yung pagkain. Guys, hindi. Ang serving ng pagkain dito, 2 to 3 person. Busog sa isang serving. Tapos balance yung mga meal. May gulay. May protein. Guys, so nakikita nyo sa likod ko, hindi yan libro. Iba-ibang board games yan. Ang pangalan na kainan namin, Across the Board. Kasi kakain ka and then you're gonna play if you want to muna. $12 per person when you play. Siguro, whole day lang silang nagpe-play ng game. Tapos magpa-popcorn ka lang, ganun. Kung gusto mo lang maglaro talaga. Wow, ganda yung project.
Tingin kayo. Hindi mo lahat yan. Nakain mo.
Bukas jogging.
Trading time! So, nagto kami sa Across the Board Game Cafe. Hindi kami naglaro. Kasi hindi naman yun yung purpose ng pagpunta namin. Kakain lang. So, let's rate it.
Yung in-order namin is yung wedge poutine. Yung para siyang fries na may sauce, na may cheese, mozzarella cheese. So, i-rate natin yun. For me, it's 3/10.
Sa akin siguro same.
Kasi yung medyo meron siyang aftertaste
Medyo
na
mapait.
Next is yung stir-fry chicken with wala naman.
Wala, ipapakita ko wala naman. Taste na lang.
Veggies and onions and lettuce. For me, it's 9/10. Delicious.
For me, it's 5/10.
Why?
Meron ding aftertaste para sa akin na parang mapait.
So, alisin mo yung kamay mo. Gumanyan ka lang. Huwag kang gumanyan. Ganyan lang. Kita nyo naman, yung mukha ko lubong-lubo, yung kanya ganon. O, alam nyo na.
Ano yun? Isang kaig lang lalobo namin.
Tapos, yung akin is in-order ko yung raspberry mocktails with Sprite and lemon lime. For me, it's 10/10.
Sa akin ang in-order ko, wala na ding laman. Shirley Temple. So, meron siyang combination ng mga fruits, may cherries, and parang pomelo, something na prutas. So, my rate is 8/10.
Yung place, maluwag siya. Hindi siya gumala. And malinis, pati yung banyo. So, the place for me is 8/10.
Same, 8/10.
Clean.
Naging kakaiba sa kanya is yung mga board games na. Hindi yan libro guys, so different board games.
Kasi ibang restaurant dito.
Yung mismong place lang, it's like open area na may mga malalaking tables. Kung wala tong mga board games, hindi rin siya kakaiba tignan. So, ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit kakaiba siya tignan. At dinadayo siya. So, that's all guys. So, uwi na kami. Bye-bye! Mga board games. Kakaiba, di ba? Magbabayad na kami. Tumingin ako ng video.
Yan na, nakakanta na siya.
Hey! Good evening guys! Uwi na kami! Nasaan ang susi natin? Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Party party! Party party! Party party! Let's go! Party party!